Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I have a really cool video for you. So I actually got these sent in to me from HiSmile. I've actually always wanted to try this, and I'm not just saying that, but they sent me these two kits. I've got the Teeth Whitening Kit and I have the Day and Night Toothpaste. Now I'm just going to go through with you exactly what's in here, how much it costs and what the benefits and what you get out of it. Now obviously I'm very skeptical. I've always been skeptical of things. I've always wanted to whiten my teeth and I've always actually wanted to see a difference. So I got this sent in to me. So I was only expecting one thing, but they sent me like two of the kits, which is really awesome. So I get to follow through on the toothpaste and the whitening. So I'm expecting my teeth to look pearly white. So I've got the HiSmile Teeth Whitening Kit, which costs $49.99. Don't know if you can see that there. As you can see, Teeth Whitening Kit, $49.99, and it's got 5-star reviews. I mean, it's pretty, it sounds pretty, you know, good. It says whitens in only 10 minutes, up to 8 shades whiter, no sensitivity, vegan friendly, convenient and easy, safe. That's what I want to hear. So I don't think it will make you up to 8 shades whiter in 10 minutes. I think with frequent use it will make your teeth whiter, obviously. So that is the Teeth Whitening Kit. Now on the back it tells you what it includes. It includes an LED light, the HiSmile gels, the mouth tray, the results chart and the instruction manual. So it tells you like the breakdown, the ingredients, and I always read my ingredients. I'm just that kind of person that really looks into the ingredients, because things like this, obviously it's not like food. So you can't exactly, like if you're getting a plate of food, you can't really ask the chef exactly, you know, what's in it. But when it comes to things like this that you buy and you can actually see the ingredients, read what you're going to put inside of you or put on you, put somewhere in your body, you can see the ingredients. And I read all of them and they're all pretty natural, like they're all really natural, which is really great, and I'm super excited to try this out. So like sodium bicarbonate, which is obviously known to whiten teeth. Aloe vera, I believe is really good. It also has like a bacteria thing, antibacterial in a way. We've got sodium chlorite with a T, which is actually I think whitens the teeth as well. We've got pomegranate seed extract and chamomile flower extract. Now these are obviously natural ingredients, so this is good and I'm really excited to try this out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna try this out tonight. So inside, when you open it up, you've got the gels. I have to read about this because I have no idea how to use this. I know Hong did a little review on this as well and she said it worked, so I can't wait to try this out. You've got an instruction book, you've got the LED light and then the mouth tray. So you would get the little syringes, squirt it on the inside there, on top and bottom, obviously to whiten top and bottom teeth, and then you would flick the light on and an LED light comes on and that activates the gel to whiten the teeth. So I'm going to use that later. On the Here's How It Works book, at the back it says pull, and that is your shade thing, shade chart. I'd say I'm about a 6. I don't want to say I'm any darker. That's kind of embarrassing still. Like I have naturally yellow teeth, not gonna lie, but I've always wanted it to get at least a shade or 2 lighter. Do you know what? I'm not even gonna go generous. I'm gonna say I'm a 7. Yep. I'm gonna write down, because it says here day 1, day 6. So in this video I'm probably just gonna show you all my days, going through it, how I did it. Probably not even gonna explain it. You'll just see me do it for 7 days. It says 6, but I'm gonna do it for 7 days. So I'm gonna give myself, I'm just gonna go and say I'm a number 7. I'm hoping to get to a shade at least a 4 or 5. Like, come on. A 4. Yeah, hope so. Okay, so when you open it up, oh, okay, I thought there was going to be like loose sheet of paper here. So it says steps. Gently clean teeth by brushing with toothpaste. Take the battery out of the LED light, remove plastic and reinsert battery. Simply attach them to the mouth tray. Apply a quarter syringe of whitening gel to the top and also to the bottom of the mouth tray. Apply to the face of the mouth tray. Step 5, relax and let the whitening process begin. The LED light will automatically turn off once your 10-minute session is up, thank God, because I don't think I'll be able to remember like putting on an alarm and stuff. Rinse mouth with warm water to rid of any residue. HiSmile. And then it has tips. It says daily use is recommended for best results. Limit the intake of dark coloured food and beverage such as red wine and tea before and after application. And apply pressure to the mouthpiece while whitening. So I think it's telling you to bite down on it so you get all the gel everywhere. Cool. Gently clean teeth by brushing with toothpaste. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna do this tonight after I brush my teeth. And speaking of brushing my teeth, I have the day and night toothpaste here. The toothpaste kit itself is also $11.99. So yeah, if you want the duo, again $11.99. And just like that, it's literally day and night. So the difference between day and night, the day is micro shield wax. It has also 5 key minerals and aloe vera, compared to the nighttime, which has bentonite clay, which actually is very good for the skin. Grapefruit seed extract, 5 key minerals, activated charcoal, aloe vera, and perilla ocinodes seed extract. No idea what that is, but activated charcoal. I'm not surprised it's in the nighttime one, because with actual activated charcoal bits, they get right underneath your gums, and it's the most annoying thing to ever get rid of, because I used to use actual like grinded up activated charcoal, and when I used to brush my teeth with that, it used to get all the way under my gums. So when I smiled, right under my gums, just in the line here, you would see black, and you'd have to kind of like, it's really gross, but you have to kind of like squeeze it out, so you have to push on your gums for the activated charcoal to come out, and it was horrible. It was a very horrible experience, and that's why I just stopped using activated charcoal, because that was really long, really annoying, and it irritated my gums because all the bits, it was really gritty, and it used to get right underneath my gums, and you'd see it when I like spoke, and it was horrible. So hopefully it's not like that, but I just have a feeling it's not going to be like bitty. I hope not, but I mean, I don't mind. I just hope it doesn't go underneath my gums. But it tells you the benefits. It says activated charcoal naturally whitens teeth, microshield wax prevents stains from occurring, bentonite clay naturally detoxifies and remineralizes, aloe vera controls bacteria that causes cavities, free from fluoride, SLS and PEG. Fluoride, thank you. Yes, that's all I can say. Thank you. Free from it. That's what I like to hear. And then it has 5 key minerals included, key to maintain teeth health. And again, it is just the day and the night toothpaste. So that's that. So that's probably just the introduction. I'm going to use this tonight. I'll probably video myself using it anyway. I have an electric toothbrush, so I don't know if that will make a difference or not with a manual toothbrush compared to an electric. I mean, this is my first electric toothbrush, and I really like it. It really does clean my teeth well, so hopefully it actually makes a difference. So I'm going to use both of these tonight, and I'm going to see how it goes, if it actually makes a slight change just after one use. So yeah, we'll see how it works throughout the days. Okay, so that's the end of the trial. Now, I did do it every day, religiously, you know, for 6 days. I did it every day after I brushed my teeth, the teeth whitening kit, and I did brush my teeth with the day and night toothpaste. And as you saw, the day is a white toothpaste and the night is a charcoal black toothpaste. So I did do it, followed it to a T, and this is basically the result. Now I did, if you remember from the beginning, I did do the little chart thing and I said that I was a 7. I think I've gone down to like a 4. A 5 or a 4. I've definitely gone down. My teeth have definitely gone whiter. Like when I stood in the kitchen light and I was talking to my mum, my mum goes, "Whoa, your teeth look whiter." I'm like, do they really? And I was just like, yes. So it's kind of awesome that it actually does work, and the thing that I do love about it is that it doesn't have really harmful chemicals in it. It's sodium chloride with a T. It's also, it doesn't have any fluoride in it. It doesn't have any peroxide, which I believe they do actually use in legitimate teeth whitening sessions, and the light is safe. So like if you looked at it accidentally, like looked into the light, it's not gonna like damage your eyes, not like a UV light, but it definitely did whiten my teeth. And obviously the kit is like £50, I believe, $49.99. It is expensive. It's gonna take a little chunk out of your, you know, your bank account, but for only 6 days, and it actually whitened my teeth like up to 2-3 shades. I'd say that's pretty darn worth it. It actually did the job. So I'm actually really glad I tried these out. This is like really cool, and I'm so glad they sent it in to me to try, and I'm so happy. I feel like my teeth did get whiter, so I mean that's it. You could kind of see me doing the morning and evening, and then the whitening, and then morning, evening, whitening. So that's kind of how I did it. I made sure I did it like clean. I made sure I got every single crevice of my teeth, because I don't have straightest teeth ever. I don't have the most perfect teeth. So what I did make sure I got all that gel that from the syringe in every little section, because I feel because this tooth goes backwards, I was scared that maybe if I put that mouth guard thing in and I bit into it and it didn't reach the back, and then I only have one tooth that's like yellow or stained compared to all the white teeth, it would look bad. So I really made sure that I bit into it and I like wiggled my mouth into the rubber guard thing so that all the gel would get into my teeth and everywhere to whiten every little section of my teeth. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That is the HiSmile review, the day and night toothpaste and the whitening kit. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.